Hi everybody. Hashtag Giving Tuesday Now is on May 5th, today, and it's a response to the COVID-19 pandemic. This global movement around Giving Tuesday Now is an international day of giving that's coming at a time of great need for many people. The restaurant industry has been devastated. In Ohio, dine-in at restaurants has been closed since March 15th, and today there are more than 300,000 restaurant workers who are laid off or furloughed. That's more than half of the people in our industry. Many of them have not yet received their unemployment support, and they're in dire need. That's why the ORA, we started the Ohio Restaurant Employee Relief Fund. We've had immense community support so far since launching the fund about 5 weeks ago. However, we have much more work to do. For the Relief Fund, we've raised money from donations from corporations, we've had suppliers give money, and we've had everyday people, some even checks of $5. It's been truly inspirational. We've been making grants to the applicants who are most in need. Each week we mail checks directly to unemployed workers, and we're trying to help. This week, the Barker family is contributing to the Relief Fund, and I am challenging all of our current and former board members to make a donation. We're also asking the public to consider giving, to help the hosts, the servers, the cooks, and other employees who took care of you for many years in your favorite restaurant, the ones in your neighborhoods, the one in your town, the place that you go to have those special moments. And the Barkers are eating out. We are supporting our local restaurants, and we're really enjoying it. So I just ask you to consider takeout on Tuesday. It's Takeout Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, whatever you love the most, right? Support your local restaurants so that they survive, and we're going to have wonderful places where we can come back. Stay safe, Ohio.